Hello dears, today I bring you one special COB shape. Yes, it's round shape and it is especially for automobile, for truck. Yes, it is special for tail light, or truck single light, fog light, and warning light. You can see it have 4 circle, and it have different lighting methods for different lighting functions. Whatever the functions you want, or we can custom it for you. And the different colors, the size. This is one lighting method, and let's say another. Cool. So cool, right? So our COBs custom are available in the widest range of size, shapes, colors, and different lighting methods for your functions depending on your requirements. Work on your inquiry. Thank you.